Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the Nakamichi Shockwafe Ultra 9.2.4 channel soundbar system, which is a top-of-the-line home theater system that boasts impressive specifications and features, making it perfect for audiophiles and those who want an immersive cinematic experience in the comfort of their own homes. This system is designed for those who want the best possible sound quality, with a range of features that set it apart from other soundbars on the market, including Dolby Atmos and DTS. X support, dual 10-inch subwoofers, and a total of 9 speakers. Let me break down the specs. The Nakamichi Shockwafe Ultra 9.2.4 channel soundbar system has a maximum output power of 1,300 watts, with 9 channels, including 2 front channels, 2 rear surround channels, 2 side surround channels, 2 high channels, and 2 subwoofer channels. The system supports Dolby Atmos and DTS X with a frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz and a signal-to-noise ratio of 100 dB. The soundbar itself measures 45.7 inches in width, 3.5 inches in height, and 5.5 inches in depth, while the subwoofers measure 11.8 inches in width, 11.8 inches in height, and 12.2 inches in depth. The system also includes 4 rear surround speakers, each measuring 5.5 inches in width, 3.5 inches in height, and 5.5 inches in depth. The system has a range of input options, including 3 HDMI inputs, 1 HDMI output, 1 optical input, 1 coaxial input, and 1 USB input. It also supports Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi 5, and has a range of special features, including voice control, Alexa compatibility, and a range of sound modes, including movie, music, and game modes. In real-world use, the Nakamichi Shockwafe Ultra 9.2.4 channel soundbar system delivers exceptional performance, with clear and detailed sound that immerses you in the action. The system is easy to set up and use, with a range of input options and a user-friendly interface. The soundbar itself is well-built and sturdy, with a premium feel that looks great in any home theater setup. The system also delivers impressive bass response, thanks to the dual 10-inch subwoofers, which add depth and rumble to the sound. The system's Dolby Atmos and DTS X support also add to the immersive experience, with sound effects and music that seem to come from all directions. Real-world reviews praise the Nakamichi Shockwafe Ultra 9.2.4 channel soundbar system for its exceptional sound quality, with many users commenting on the system's ability to deliver clear and detailed sound, even at high volumes. Users also love the system's range of input options and special features, including voice control and Alexa compatibility.